everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having an amazing day and ready for today's quick tutorial, because honestly guys, I am in love with this Guava Cat Eye. It's MY278 and I will leave it linked in the description. Now I have done the tiny, I'm absolutely in love with this, and you know, guava is actually one of my favorite fruits. So I just love this. So I've done this pinky nail. I'm going to do a couple with you because they're all going to look like this. And then I definitely think I want to put some of the little raindrops as well, because I think that's just going to just like top everything off. So I already have my nails done. And I'm just going to apply some base coat to the nails. I've bathed and filed and everything. I actually did the set yesterday ahead of today. So I'm just going to get the base coat on all the phalanges. I'm going to cure and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so base coat cured and everything. And on this nail, I actually did 2 coats of the cat eye. So that's what I'm going to be doing on the rest of the nails. So we'll do the thumb because that's the one that always kind of gets in the way. And even while just applying the cat eye, you can literally see the shift. And I'm so happy I went with this color because as well as it's the guava, after doing that one nail, I realized that this color actually looks, I actually love it on my complexion. That's me personally. But yeah, this is the kind of color I could literally have on all 5 phalanges and I'll be happy. So I'm just going to use this little cat eye, this little magnet, should I say, for the cat eye. And because we've got the shift, and that is really what I am looking for, I am literally just running it on either side until I start to see the shift that I'm looking for, because you know you want some of the green to still be there, so it's really giving that guava feel. And you know, this is totally optional, you know, and the longer you kind of do this, the stronger your cat eye will be in terms of the shift. So I love cat eyes like this that have this like it's like a 2-tone, 2-color cat eye. Like honestly, I cannot. Okay, so I'm just looking at that and I'm nearly happy with it. It's just when it comes to the other side, I'm sort of like, maybe it's easier if I have my hand like that. So that's just the first coat. I'm going to cure that. So I have the second coat already on, and I'm going to do the same again with the magnet. And I'm happy with 2 coats. I don't think I need to do 3. I'm actually happy with the 2 coats. So okay, so that's how the thumb is looking. I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to do the rest of the nails. I'll speed up how the nails are looking, guys. I did 2 coats on each nail and I absolutely love it. Now I have wiped the inhibition layer and I've also used the no wipe top coat, and now I'm using this Born Pretty 5-in-1 top coat. I absolutely love it because it's no wipe. So I'm going to be able to use this for some droplets. Oops. So I did do some there on the pinky. I'm not going to do it on all the nails. So I'm just going to choose where I kind of want a little droplet. And then I'm going to put it there. I think on this nail I want 3. just like that. So I'm going to turn that finger upside down for a little bit, because sometimes it tries to self-level, and I'm just going to kill. I'm thinking maybe on the ones that I've got two, I'll just do a tiny one, like a few tiny ones, should I say. Just do like that. And then I'm going to do the same on the pinky. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about the nails in the comments. Oh wow, I absolutely love how they turned out with the droplets. It's just so very mindful. Yes, it is. And I didn't put any bling on because my middle son turned 16 on Sunday, because I was looking at thinking, oh, do I want bling? But I just thought, no, let's not do that. You've got lots of cooking to do. So again, just to remind you, I use the Guava. This is from the Fruit Cat Eye collection. So the fruit obviously is guava, and it's MY278. Again, I'll leave a link in the description box if you are interested in this cat eye or any other cat eyes from Born Pretty. And you can also save yourself some coin, because I'll leave discount codes. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, because it really does help the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. I just want to give a few shout outs. So shout out to my niece Kyla, because she is actually my #1 fan. I absolutely love you, baby girl, and if you're watching this, auntie loves you. Mwah. And I cannot wait to see you on Sunday. And shout out to my middle son Kimani, who's going to be 16 on Sunday, God willing. I don't know where the time goes, honestly, but please do help me wish him happy birthday. And yeah, he's gonna have a barbecue, have some friends around. It's gonna be amazing. And last but definitely not least, shout out to my nail sister Raven, and it's about to be her birthday on the 13th of September. So if you are not following Raven's reviews, definitely go check her out, and also give her a birthday shout out and tell her Mama Does Nails sent you. I love you all, guys. Take care. Bye.